Hi, I'm Connie Benish. Hi, I'm Kirsten Schaefer, and we're USC students helping out Campus Voices with Harvard University. And we can see a lot of people for Hillary, a lot of people for Obama, and quite a few people for Edwards. We're right in front of the Hillary Clinton campaign office. So we're going to go inside real quick and see if we can't talk to somebody.
Sorry, I was calling to run for the president campaign. Have you voted yet? Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Well, we see a lot of political activity out here. That's, I think, a great thing for Columbia, and that shows that people are really interested in the Democratic primary. With the campaign today, I've been helping to coordinate getting rides with volunteers for people who needed rides to the polls. But I've helped canvass and do a lot of other stuff.
And so what is the role of young people in this campaign, and what kind of, in terms of college students, have you worked with on this campaign so far?
I had the pleasure of yesterday going out and canvassing with some college students here from the University of South Carolina. One was 18 and one was 20, and we literally went door to door canvassing out in the Northeast, and it was just exciting to have such bright, intelligent people who are impassioned and just raring to go for Hillary. So it's been fun, and we've seen a lot of young people, and it's great. We had a strong turnout, and we see a lot of the people who committed early and requested rides. They're keeping their promise to vote. So it looks good. It's been exciting for South Carolina to have the national attention drawn to it. Hopefully the economy and education issues that are really important to South Carolinians get to the front of the focus of this campaign.